Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Netflix shows or movies links. So when you watch movies or show on Netflix, probably you want your friends or family to watch it also, and you want to share the link. I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, just open your Netflix app on your phone. And then here at the homepage, click on the movies or show that you want to share the link. For example, I want to share this Korean drama link. Just click on that and then click on the share option here. And then here you can choose between 4 or more option. You just can click that. If you want to share it on Instagram chat, just click on this. If you want to share it on WhatsApp, just click on this. Or if you want to share just the link, just click on, okay, we can go back, click on share and then click copy link. The link has been copied, and then you can just share it to your friends by chat, WhatsApp, Instagram, and etc. Okay, that's so easy, and I think you can do that right away. Okay, that is how you can share Netflix show or not movies link. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.